Hello everyone, welcome to Amrit Filtration Equipment's training videos for operating the sequence timer of OB series.
As you can see, we have a OB series sequence timer in front of us. This particular timer is OB6. It means it can operate up to 6 number of channels. By 6 number of channel, we mean it has 6 independent relays to operate 6 independent valves. As you can see, wiring is already done. Now we need to switch on the timer. To switch on the timer, we need to turn on this power key. So now you can see that timing sequence will initiate immediately when you power on.
Three setting buttons are available on the timer. First one is to set the number of channels.
You need to press the channel button for 4 seconds and you can see the count of begins. So wherever you leave the channel button, whatever is being shown on the display gets set as the number of channel.
The second button is to set the off time. Off time is the duration or the gap between the operation of two consecutive channel or relays. We need to press the off time button for 4 seconds. The counter will begins and we can set whatever the second of time we need to set, starting from 1 and up to 999 seconds. The third button is to set on time. On time means the duration in which the timer will be switched on. Please note that this is in milliseconds. So when you press the on time button for 4 seconds, the count up begins. You can set whatever value you require for the on time.